Hello mga kadipat, this is Don Patrick Dipat Aguilar and you are watching Dipat TV. Ladies and gentlemen, broadcasting to you live from Barangay Anonas in the city of Ordanera in Pangasinan inside Dipat's Laboratory. Don Patrick Dipat Aguilar proudly bringing you the penultimate chapter of our March Madness season. Here also the penultimate chapter of our inaugural season of Dipat's Tamiya League Stock Motor Conference. We'll now have our elimination round to start off our festivities here on DTL SMC on a Run and Gun Wednesday evening of March 20, 2024. Don Patrick Dipat Aguilar here at the helm of this Run and Gun Wednesday edition. What is expected to be an exciting edition here on DTL SMC once more, or yet again. And without further ado, it's now time for our elimination round, beginning with this race number 1 featuring Cosmo Atomica taking on Venom. Yeah. Okay. Cosmo Atomica versus Venom is the matchup for our race number 1. And ano na to? 2-1, 2-1. Lane 2, then lane 1, lane 2, lane 1, lane 2, lane 1. Ganun mangyayari dyan. Alternate. So lane 2 yung una. Okay. So for our race number 1, it's going to be Cosmo Atomica at lane 2, Venom at lane 1. So same color sila sa ating unang karera. I repeat, it's Venom at lane 2, Venom at lane 1 rather, and Cosmo Atomica at lane 2, being their respective starting lanes as we kick off Run and Gun Wednesday here on DTL SMC with our elimination round, beginning with our race number 1. Switch on. Ready, set, bye. Hit, KO. Winner. Welcome back. Hit. Hit agad. Okay, hit. Nag-wrong way si nag-wrong way na si Venom. So, ano na yan? Sa loser side na yan. Tama. Cosmo Atomica, winner. Alright. So, maiwan sa winning side si Cosmo. Okay. Hit yon, hit. Won by hit. Talo si Venom by hit. Tapos, won by hit naman si, Cosmo. Yam. Hit number 1. To start off our Run and Gun Wednesday edition. Race number 2, right away. Race number 2 will feature Archer Amerto taking on its longtime rival McLaren. And in this matchup of old school rivals, in this matchup of bitter rivals in Season 1, it's going to be Archer Amerto at lane 1. Yes, Archer Amerto starting at lane 1. McLaren at lane 2. So, ganun ulit. Same color. Archer Amerto at lane 1. McLaren at lane 2 for our race number 2. Switch on. Ready, set, bye. Start. Rolling. Pareho na basuka. Dalawang ibon sa isang putok. Dalawang ibon sa isang tira, yun ang nangyari. The game. So, si McLaren ang nandyan. Replay natin. Tingnan natin sa replay center. Replay center natin. Check natin sa ating replay center. Sa draw game. Ito yung dalawang maglaban, Venom Archer. Doon sa loser side. Uusog ko na lang mamaya. Yan. Draw ang ating labanan. Yan. Okay. Race number 3 right away. The RT Tarika taking on the podium finisher at Paniki Tarlac MP. Yan. So, unang pagkakataon na makikita natin ulit si MP dito sa TTL SMC matapos mag-podium sa panikitan lang. Once again, congratulations sa isa sa mga konto ko na si MP. San Goku inspired. San Goku inspired itong ating si MP. Yan. Dahil meron yan yung mga kulay ni San Goku madalas sa Dragon Ball. In honor of the late legendary creator Akira Toriyama. Yan. Yung isa naman, yung BMAX project ko, in honor of JDF naman, si Lord Dracon. Yung Project Dracon naman gagawin ko next. Alright, for our race number 3 tonight, it's going to be RT Tarek at lane 2 and MP at lane 1. I repeat, it's MP at lane 1, RT Tarek at lane 2 being the respective starting lanes for our race number 3. Switch on! Ready, set, bye. Up. Good. Login. Draw. Login. Bago na kasi yung VST niya pinalitan ko buti na lang nagamit ko pa. So tabla. Loser side si MP. Isang unang na sabit. Ay, sorry. Sorry, nalog. Tabla po tayo. Up. Draw game na naman. Race number 4. Race number 4 will feature the battle of VZ Chassis Machines Metalder taking on Murik. One last time for this inaugural season of DTL SMC. Ito yung huling beses na maglalaban ng ating mga VC chassis machines dito sa DTL SMC Stock Motor DTL SMC as on its inaugural season. And in this matchup, it's going to be Metalder at lane 1, Murik at lane 2. I repeat, it's Murik at lane 2, Metalder at lane 1, being their starting lanes for race number 4. Switch on! Ready, set, bye. Lasing! Takbohan lasing! Takbo lang parang puwet rin kaya yun. Final up! Laser arm! Laser arm! Takbuhan lasing, ano kaya yun? Gapang Gapang man ng takbo pero si Metalder pa rin ang panalo. Holy smoke! Darag! Okay. Panalo. Ano kaya yun? Race number 5 na tayo kaagad. Opo. Race number 5 will feature Archer and Myrtle taking on Venom. So loser side tayo ngayon sa ating races number 5 and 6. And in this race number 5, it's going to be Archer and Myrtle taking on lane 2 as its starting lane. While Venom will start at lane 1. I repeat, Venom at lane 1, Archer and Myrtle at lane 2 as their respective starting lanes in this Battle of Prodigal Blues. In our race number 5. Switch on. Ready, set, bye. Napasok pa. Login, parehong napasukan ni Madam Popas D. Asintado na naman si Madam Porciatera. Derek. Asintado na naman si Madam Porciatera. Shoutout pala to my ultimate crush and my ultimate love of my life, Myrtle Sarosa, na naimbitahang mag-perform bukas ng hapon, alas 4. Abangan niyo po siya sa Bacolod. Bacolod, sa Negros Occidental. Nakalimutan ko na anong specific na lugar. Pero andyan po siya sa Negros Occidental tomorrow, 4 p.m. So, yung mga kapuso dyan, mga kapuso, kapamilya, kapatid dyan, mga Katulad ko po na talagang ako mismo, in my case, more than a fan eh. I'm just, she's more of an, ano talaga, she's more of an idol to me eh. Higit pa sa isang idol para sa akin, si Myrtle Sarosa. So Myrtle Sarosa, I love you so much, always, forever, and stay safe out there and have fun. God bless you always, at marami pang project sana na dumating sa iyong showbiz career. Lagi ako suporta para sa iyo. I love you so much. Alright. Next, race number 6 tayo. Draw yung kanina. Venom Archera. Draw yan, draw. Oops. Muntik na. Blue ball pen pala, sorry. BE. Nakalimutan ko, BE pala. Sorry. Akala ko kasi Project Zeta na yan eh. No? Race number 6. Race number 6 na po tayo. It's going to be MP versus Merrick. Ito na yung laban ng MP at Merrick sa ating race number 6. And in this matchup, it's going to be MP starting at lane 1. Okay, MP at lane 1 ulit. So, balik sila sa mga respective starting lanes na kagaya nung nagsimula sila. So, it's going to be MP at lane 1 and Merrick at lane 2. I repeat, MP at lane 1, Merrick at lane 2 being the respective starting lane for our race number 6. Switch on. Ready, set, Nako! Mamawala! Okay na po, awat. Hit. Hit yan, hit. Hit. Hit, nakatama si MP, pero si Merrick tumatakbo pa. Tingnan natin sa replay center. Ayan. As we take a look at our replay center doon sa luma kong phone. Itingnan ko muna. Yun, gandang laban sana eh. So, okay. Contact confirmed. So, therefore, si MP ang nakatama. Kung ganon, Merrick ang panalo by hit. Second hit of the evening on a Run and Gun Wednesday. Alright. Okay. So, winner side siya. Venom Merrick next. Tapos MP Archera yung isang loser bracket. Yam. Hit. Tama. Pangalawa na yun. Kay MP at si Merrick, dalawa. Okay. Lost, task Merrick, panalo. 2 points si Merrick, 1 point MP. Next, race number... tama. Race number 7. Race number 8, finals rematch na tayo. Finals rematch na tayo sa ating race number 8. Alright, usog na natin. Race number 7 will feature the Battle of Orange Army Cars, Cosmo Atomica and McLaren. Alright, so Cosmo versus McLaren ang labanan natin sa ating race number 7, wherein Cosmo Atomica will start at lane 2 and McLaren will start at lane 1. I repeat, McLaren at lane 1, Cosmo Atomica at lane 2 for our race number 7. Switch on. Ready, set, bye. So, magandang laban. Takbo natin. Good. Takbo. Isip ang laban. Final lap, Desi. Okay. Yun, minaw na. That's good. McLaren, winner. Alright. Naunahan. Naunahan si Cosmo. Sorog. Sa loser side niya. Tapos McLaren dito. May kinatalo ni Merrick. Ay, talo pala siya, no? Tama. Oh, si MP nga na, ano eh, nasa winner's bracket siya eh. Sa race 5, draw si Venom at Archera. Pero unang natumba si, Archera. Good. Sa winner's side yan. Tama yan. Tama yan. Sa uling natumba pala. Yun. Pwede rin nga, sila yung huling natumba. Ayun. Yun, race 12 siya. Yun, tama. Okay. Panalo si McLaren, no? Check natin sa replay. ML Cosmo, MLCO. Ay, sorry. One Cosmo. Tapos si Olos. Yan, pinapanood natin yung replay. Ang dikit yung laban eh. Grabe oh. Lane 1 ang nanalo. Therefore, McLaren. Lane 7 yun eh. Si Cosmo sa lane 2. Tama. Okay. Race number 8 na po tayo. It's going to be a previous championship race rematch between Metalder and RT Tareka. Magtatagpo na ulit sila o rematch na sila kagad sa ating race number 8 sa mga nakaraang finalists natin. It's going to be Metalder this time starting at lane 1 and RT Tareka will start at lane 2. I repeat, it's Metalder at lane 1, RT Tareka at lane 2 for the previous championship race rematch in our race number 8. Switch on. Ready, set, bye. Final engineer. Ayos, final lang. Ayos, ang lang. Winner. Nakapami rin. RT Tareka settling a score against Metalder. Alright. So, si Metalder dito sa loser side mamaya. So, tapos ganun, pasunod na yung ano, ay, hindi pala dapat yun. Mali. Yan, para pabasa doon. Lost itong si Metalder. Tapos si RT panalo. Buti na lang, walang embang. Race number 9. It's now time for our race number 9 featuring Archer Amerto battling Empe. Alright. So, ano yan? Dalawa talaga? Dalawa. Okay. Race number 9, Archer Amerto versus Empe is the matchup. And in this race number 9, it's going to be Archer Amerto at lane 2, Empe at lane 1 again. I repeat, it's Empe at lane 1 and Archer Amerto at lane 2 being the respective starting lanes for our race number 9. Switch on. Ready, set, bye. Ano ba yun? Doren. O, yun din. Nakasuka rin. Pare. Nauna lang si Archera. Narag, ano kaya yun? Narag. Ano kaya yun? Ano kaya yun? Ito, sa replay center. Ay, hindi. Ito yung race number 8. Yan yung race number 8. O, i-live na natin. Draw. Game. MP Archera. Draw. Yan. Puro draw ah. Puro draw si Archera Metal ah. Panay draw. No ay. Alright. Race number 10. Race number 10 will feature Metalder taking on Cosmo Atomica. Alright, so in this race number 10, it's going to be Metalder starting at lane 1 again. Lane 1 na naman si Metalder. Lane 2 naman si Cosmo Atomica. I repeat, Metalder at lane 1, Cosmo Atomica at lane 2 as their respective starting lanes for our race number 10. Switch on! Ready, set, bye! Ito magandang laban. Ako lang. Stay tuned there. Ay na lang. Okay. At least, di bali ng lasing, basta wag lang iimbang, okay na yun. Wala eh, talaga mas mabilis yung kalaban eh. Cosmo Atomica winner. Alright. So, Archela Metalder ang sunod na maglada. Si MP Cosmo mamaya sa ating race number 15. Race 15 sila mamaya. Dito na ako sa crosshatch nagko-concentrate. Tapos kung ilan yung panalo, tali nila, ganun lang. Susulat ko na lang dyan. No? Tabulate ko na lang. Cosmo Metalder. Dalawang pula para kay Metalder. 1 and 2 so far. Race number 11. Okay, race number 11 will feature Venom taking on Merrick for our race number 11. And in this matchup, it's going to be Venom at lane 2. Merrick this time at lane 1. I repeat, it's Merrick at lane 1. Venom at lane 2 being the respective starting lanes for our race number 11. Switch on. Ready, set, bye. Good. Stay safe. Sige na lang. Kaya lang din dyan, kasi. Final lap. Good. Nice. Wonderful run right there. Venom finally winning one. Alright. Sa wakas, nakapanalo rin si Venom. Maiwan ka sa winner side. Maiwan ka sa winner side ngayon. Doon ka sa kabila. Yan. Patasin na MP at Cosmo. Lagay na natin dito. Yo, nice. Nice. Lost si Merrick kay Venom. Nag-change lane lang eh. Umimbang nga, hindi naman tumakbo, naglanding pa rin ng tao, kaya lang sa maling lane. Malas. Sa maling lane lang Grabe. Sa wakas, Venom splitting all of its 3 assignments. Race number 12 will feature RT Tareka taking on McLaurin. And in this race number 12, that's going to be RT Tareka starting at lane 1, McLaurin at lane 2. I repeat, it's RT Tareka at lane 1 and McLaurin at lane 2 to start off race number 12. Switch on. Ready? Up. Teka. Wait lang, official time out. Official time out. Official time out. Mukhang nakalasan tayo ng gear. Ay, hindi. Ito pala. Ay, okay. Nagana lang, nag-loose lang. Nag-loose lang. Pero mamaya, pentalan natin. Ay! Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God! Ako! Official time out nga talaga, confirm. Oh, may nakita na tayo, may nasilip tayong isang problema patungkol kay McLaurin. Bad news. May bad news tayo. Tingnan mo na, official time out. Apologies. Well, May bad news na nangyari kay McLaren, aksidente. And talaga sa Tamiya Racing, hindi natin maiwasan talaga yung mga aksidente. It's so inevitable. It's so inevitable. Dahil talaga unpredictable ang Tamiya Mini Four-Wheel Drive Racing. You'll never know what's coming your way, whether good or bad. So, we just have to be prepared for virtually anything. Expect the unexpected, that is. You just have to expect the unexpected, you know? Alright. Oops. Kaya. Back natin para sigurado. Ay! Ay, laglag. Ay. Ay. Napa-alpha 5 tayo. Biglang napa-alpha 5 ang inyo pong lingkod. Diyos ko po. Hopefully this works. Okay. Sige. One more time mga kadipat. Race number 12. Switch on. Ready, set, fight. That's two. Final lap. Nice. RT Tareka, winner. Alright. Upset victory laban kay McLaren. Nagkakanda na, nadidisgrasya na si McLaren. Naku, naloko na. Kayanin mo, McLaren. Carry on the fight. You just have to carry on the fight. Kaya mo pa yan. So, ay ganun eh. Alright, race 13. Dire-diretso na tayo. Race number 13 will feature Metalder take up. Sorry. Nabangga yung camera. Sensya na. Ay. Tama ba to? Ay, naku po. Mali. Naloko na. Race number 13 tayo. Metalder taking on Archer Myrtle. So, semifinals rematch na po tayo sa ating race number 13. And in this matchup, it's going to be Metalder starting at lane 2, Archer Myrtle at lane 1. So, pareho ng kulay nila. Yung mga starting lanes natin, Archer Myrtle at lane 1, Metalder at lane 2 for our race number 13. Switch on. Ready, set, bye. Action! Nabangbang ni Madam Portia. Nabangbang ni Madam Portia pera. Sinabi niya, pinigilan siyo eh. Your time. Time na lang. Your tired. Later, iron. Laser arm. Metalder, winner. Alright. Kunwari CEO pa si Porsche. Sinabi, you're fired. Kaya na si Metalder yung nagsabi. Tarag. Dirig. Nakabawi rin. Sabi ko na nga ba, lason to eh. Sabi ko na nga ba, lason eh. Sabi na eh. Sabi ko na eh. I knew it. I've dreamt about this. Sabi niyo. Alright. Sabay nagpatawa mga kadipat. Nagpandal tuloy. Okay, tama. Race number 14 tayo. Okay. Race number 14 will feature McLaren taking on Merrick. Sorry. Yan. McLaren versus Merrick being our race number 14 tonight. And in this matchup, it's going to be McLaren starting at lane 1, Merrick at lane 2. I repeat, it's McLaren at lane 1 and Merrick at lane 2 being their respective starting lanes for our race number 14. Switch on. Ready, set, bye. Kapit. Oh, hit. Hit na yan, hit. Nasabit. So, sumabit, biglang nakalabit. That's a foul. Ayan, oh. Oh, yun, oh, nakalabit eh. Nakalabit na. That's it. Confirm. McLaren, winner. Alright. So, McLaren Metalder, maglaban mamaya. Yan. Bale, usog ko na lang dun mamaya. Ano ba to? Hit pala, no? Pangatlo na yan. So, sino yung hit? Sino yung hit? Merrick Metalder. No, Merrick McLaren pala. Sorry. Yan. Merrick talo, McLaren panalo. Next, race number 15 na tayo. Another Battle of Orange Army Cars. So, present pala lahat ng Orange Army Cars natin. Si MP. Hindi. Si Papa Roach pala yung kulang. Hindi. May absent pa palang isa. Si Papa Roach palang wala. Apat ang Orange Army natin eh. Si Cosmo Atomica, si MP, si McLaren, at saka si Papa Roach yung mga Orange Army natin. Alright, race number 15 tayo. Another Battle of Orange Army Cars between Cosmo Atomica and MP. Yan. In this race number 15, it's going to be Cosmo Atomica at lane 2, MP at lane 1 being the respective starting lanes. I repeat, it's MP at lane 2, it's Cosmo Atomica rather at lane 2, MP at lane 1 for our race number 15. Switch on. Ready, set, bye. Grabe yung no setting ng tape talaga eh. Kaya lang. Patay. Okay. So yun. Panalo na, naging bato pa. Panalo na, naging bato pa, malas. Cosmo Atomica winner. Sorry. Cosmo Atomica winner. Alright, may ano ko kasi, nakita ko kasi naputol kay McLaren. Kaya, gano'n na lang ako nabulol. Sorry. sorry. Buti na lang nakita ko at the start. Kaya bigla kami pinulot. Okay. Winner, Cosmo against MP. So, tatlo na, panalo ni Cosmo Atomica. Tingnan mo na po, big pala. Okay, race number 16 tayo, right away. Race number 16 will feature RT Tareka taking on Venom. Yan. Okay, Venom versus RT Tareka for our race number 16. And in this matchup, it's RT Tareka starting at lane 1, Venom at lane 2. I repeat, Venom at lane 2, RT Tareka at lane 1, being their respective starting lanes for this race number 16. Switch on. Ready, set, five. Okay, then. No hit. Draw game. Nahuli si RT Tareka na umiimbang. Itian. Calder, McLaren. MP, Venom. There you go. Okay. Draw game. Draw. Venom versus RT. Yun. Draw. Next. Umiimbang malas. Race number 17 na tayo kagad. Okay. Wala nang re-race po kasi pag elimination round. Semis tsaka championship race tsaka race for third lang merong re-race. Pero race to 6 pa rin. Lahat. Pati championship. Ganun nang mangyayari sa atin. Baka nga race to 6 na lahat. Most likely sa season 4. Okay. Race number 17 na po tayo. It's going to be Archer Myrtle taking on Murik. Alright, yung mag-ina. Magkalaban na yung mag-ina. Yung anak laban sa nanay. Mangyayari dito, mother versus son. Mangyayari sa ating race 17. Pakaya na. Race number 17 natin is going to be Archer Myrtle at lane 2, Murik at lane 1. I repeat, Archer Myrtle starting at lane 2. And we're starting at lane 1 for our race number 17. Switch on! Ready, set, bye! Whoa! Baba! Go! 3, okay, 3 over 9. Okay! Talsi! Chokik! Chokik! Buti pa si Mary, sumabit lang eh. Pero si Archer talagang talsik. Chokong! Darag! Tabla, ulit. Tabla na naman tayo. Aha. Puro draw si Archera, 4 na. 4 points. At least kahit papano may draw. Okay, next. Next battle. Venom MP. Ayun. Venom MP. Ayun. Okay, race number 18 na po tayo. It's Venom versus MP for our race number 18. And in this matchup, it's going to be Venom starting at lane 1. Okay. Venom at lane 1, MP at lane 2. I repeat, it's Venom at lane 1, MP at lane 2, being their respective starting lanes in this battle of Super Tube machines in our race number 18. Switch on! Ready, set, bye. Rocking! Sabay pa! Sabay pang higa. Sabay binasuka no? Patay! Chongking! Narag! Draw game. Tabla. Di natin malaman ngayon sino yung naunang umembang at nahuli. Narag game. Sabay pang umembang eh. Pokoy! Chuki! Talagang asintada si Madam Portia eh. Binazuka pa naman na sabay. Dalawang ibon sa isang putok eh. Erag! Sa sino na kaya ang kalaban ni Archera? Tapos na siya sa dalawa. Waiting yan. So si Venom, ang hintayin niya si Metalder. Si naman, Metalder McLaurin, last 2 opponents. Yung si Metalder McLaurin. So, yung maglaban na ngayon sa race 19. Si MP naman, ang last 2 niya, ganun din, parehas. Parehas pala. Same opponent. Same opponent. Parehas pala. Sige. Race number 19 tayo. Tsaka natin i-settle yan. Race number 19 will feature Metalder taking on McLaurin. Alright, Metalder versus McLaurin being our race number 19 tonight. And in this matchup, it's going to be Metalder at lane 2 and McLaurin at lane 1. I repeat, it's McLaurin starting at lane 1, Metalder starting at lane 2 for our race number 19. Switch on. Ready, set, bye. Ayaw, magandang buwan natin. Pag may natumpa, natin, mati. Last 2. Ay nala. Okay. Wala akong imbang, that's good. Walang laser arm, pero McLaurin offsetting Metalder. Alright. Sino yung natalo kanina? Last two assignments, MP Venom. Ayo. Sino yung unang na-embang dun sa kanilang dalawa? Sino yung unang na-embang sa dalawa? Venom tsaka si MP. Ayo. Pwede si Venom na. Tapos si McLaurin, si MP. Dali sulat lang natin. McLaurin won, Metalder loss. Dalawang pula. Ay, tatlong pula na pala si Metalder. Okay. So, ano na yung score nilang dalawa? Tunog yun ng tractor mga kadipat. Tunog ng tractor po yun Venom, MP. O yun nga, same din. Pareho sila ni Metalder ng kalaban. Pero si Archer Amerta, sino yung kalaban? Artie Cosmo. Pahinga pa. Sige. Race 20 tayo. Si Merrick, sino yung mga huling kalaban niya? Yun din, yung maglaban sa race 20. Okay. O di ko sino na lang matalo, lalaban kayo. Sige. Race number 20 na po tayo. It's going to be Artie Tareka taking on Cosmo Atomica. And in this race number 20, it's going to be Artie Tareka taking on Cosmo Atomica at lane 2. I repeat, it's Artie Tareka starting at lane 1, Cosmo Atomica starting at lane 2 for our race number 20. Switch on. Ready, set, fight. Oy, sumapit. Oy. Lapit. Panala. Sumapit. Alright. Artie Tareka winner. Alright. McLaurin. Sino yung last opponent ni McLaurin? Venom MP. Ayo. Tama. Si Archer na yung last na kalaban niya. Archer at saka si Merrick. Ayun. Archer at saka Merrick. Tama, dito yan. Tapos si Cosmo kay Merrick. Ayun. Last two assignments na. Last 8. Down to last 8. Okay. So, panalo si Artie Tareka laban kay CO. Cosmo Atomica. So, dalawang pula. Dalawang pula na si Cosmo. Last two opponents, Archer Myrtle and Merrick. Yon, tama. Tapos, ganun din si Artie Tareka, Archer Myrtle, Merrick, parehas. Tapos pagpapalitan sila ng mga kalaban. So, ganito na mangyayari dyan. Para iwas back to back, ito nang gawin natin. Okay, race number 21 na tayo. Race number 21 will feature Metalder taking on Venom. Alright. Battle of Paniki Survivors noong February 11, 2024. Yan ang tema ng ating labanan sa race number 21. And in this matchup, it's going to be Metalder starting at lane 2, Venom starting at lane 1. I repeat, it's Venom at lane 1 and Metalder at lane 2 for our race number 21. Switch on. Ready, set, bye. Good. Okay, patut na. Final ending there. Final up. Later, iron. Hindi umubra yung lightning web ni Metalder. Nanaig pa rin ang laser arm sa lightning web. Laser arm versus lightning web yung nangyari doon sa race 21. And eventually, the victor went to Metalder after beating Venom. Alright, so final assignment for Metalder will be against MP. So alternate Alternative na lang natin. O, mauna yung loser. Mauna loser kaysa winner. Yeah, nice. That's nice. Venom lost to Metalder. Na laser arm. 3-3. Bah, ganda ng record ni Metalder ah. 3-3. Natatalo lang. Wala namang embang si Metalder. Talagang ano lang, lasing. Drunken Master lang yung peg niya. Race number 22 na po tayo. Cosmo Atomica taking on Merrick for our race number 22. And in this matchup, it's going to be Cosmo Atomica at lane 1, Merrick at lane 2. I repeat, it's Cosmo Atomica starting at lane 1, Merrick starting at lane 2. Alright, race number 22, switch on. Ready, set, bye. Good. Yeah. Good. Yeah. Last two. Final up. Nice. Backpass yung receive. Cosmo Atomica winner. Alright. Next. Last assignment ni Cosmo Atomica, Archera Myrtle. So, dito yan. Standby yan. Yung winner ang nandyan. Tama yan eh. Okay, Cosmo Merrick. Merrick red. Last battle, RT Tarika. Okay, race number 23. Race number 23 will feature McLaurin taking on MP. And in this battle of orange army cars, on our race number 23, it's going to be McLaurin rather starting at lane 2. MP starting at lane 1. I repeat, it's MP at lane 1, McLaurin at lane 2 for our race number 23. Switch on. Ready, set, bye. Patay. Okay. Napasuka. Aray. Sa sobrang pagka-nose dive, tumba. Draw game. Last na yan. McLaurin, ano yung last assignment niya? Venom. Tama, yan na yun. Yan na yun, tama. Yan na yun. Kapalitan lang sila. Tabla. Tabla. McLaurin, MP, draw. Okay, next. Race number 24. Ayun na. So, si Mirik ang last na tatakbo. Race number 24 will feature RT Tarika taking on Archera Myrtle. Alright. It's RT Tarika versus Archera Myrtle for our race number 24. And in this matchup, it's going to be RT Tarika at lane 1, Archera Myrtle at lane 2. I repeat, it's RT Tarika starting at lane 1, Archera Myrtle starting at lane 2 for our race number 24. Switch on. Ready, set, bye. Ganda laban. Maganda laban na. Sako. Kaya lang. Let's see. Let's see who's gained the upper hand. What a race. What a race we have seen here just now. Wow. Holy smoke. Siso battle. Kagaya rin na nangyari sa atin dun sa panikita na. Grabe yun. Grabing siso battle yun mga kadipat. Partida, stock motor lang po yan ha. Archera Myrtle winner. Ayun talaga yung nagagawa ng shoutout kay Myrtle Sarosa. Yun. Panalo tuloy. Alright. Ayan, last assignments na yan. Yan. Nice. Nice. Aha. Panalo si Archerake Artitarika. Yan din pala yung naglaban doon sa tiebreaker, ano? Walang imbang, pero talagang ano lang, talagang naging too much lang si Archerake, ano? Artitarika. So, race for third rematch, yung penultimate race natin. Artitarika's final race will be against Merrick. Alright, so yun na, nakaset na. Good! Down to last 4. Inom muna akong tubig. Alright. Final 4 races. Huling apat sa ating elimination round. Starting up with our race number 25 featuring Venom versus McLaurin. Alright, Venom versus McLaurin. Battle of Let's and Go villains in our race number 25. And then this matchup, it's going to be Venom starting at lane 2. And McLaurin will start at lane 1. I repeat, it's McLaurin at lane 1 and Venom at lane 2 as their respective starting lane for this race. Number 25. Switch on. Ready, set, bye. Nakakuha. Okay. Satu. McLaurin winner. Nanaig ang Bracken Gigant sa Big Spider. Darag. Okay, so ganyan na. So, tapos ang elimination round ni Venom at McLaurin. Okay. Race number 26 na tayo. Alright. Metalder taking on MP. Yan. Yung mga paniki survivors maglaban ulit sa ating race number 26. This time, it's Metalder taking on MP. And in this matchup, it's going to be Metalder starting at lane 1, MP at lane 2. I repeat, Metalder starting at lane 1, MP starting at lane 2 for this race. Number 26. Switch on. Ready, set, bye. Walking. Draw. Drawing, draw. Ay, kaya pala. Nangyari. Tabla. Para yung sumapit eh. Tingnan natin sa replay center. Check natin sa replay center. Nako. Okay guys. Tugiling. Nawala ng balanse. Wala namang hit. Wala namang hit. Op. Check natin. Nanguna pa nga si MP, oh. Walang hit. Walang hit. Draw. Draw talaga. No hit happened, so it's a draw. Buti nga tabla lang eh. Oh, may isang tabla pa rin. May isang tabla pa rin. Alright, penultimate race na po tayo ng ating elimination round. Race for third rematch between Archera Myrtle and Cosmo Atomica. Yan, itong mga naglaban sa race for third natin ng nakaraang Lunes. And in this race 27, it's going to be Archera Myrtle starting at lane 2, Cosmo Atomica at lane 1. I repeat, it's Archera Myrtle at lane 2 and Cosmo Atomica at lane 1 to start off this penultimate race of the Run and Gun Wednesday evening in the elimination round. Switch on. Ready, set, bye. Line it up. Just right. Okay. Archer Myrtle closing out this elimination round with a victory. Tataob ko na rin. Taob. Cosmo lost to Archer. Okay. Finally but not the least, our last race of our elimination round tonight will feature RT Tarika taking on Merrick. Alright. Mustahin natin yung mga car. Baka may nasira. Let's see. Wala naman. Not bad. Ain't so bad. Alright. In our final race of the elimination round, it's going to be RT Tarika versus Merrick, wherein RT Tarika will start at lane 1, Merrick at lane 2. I repeat, it's RT Tarika starting at lane 1, Merrick starting at lane 2 for this 28th and final race of the elimination round on our Run and Gun Wednesday evening edition tonight. Switch on. Ready, set, five. Alright. RT Tarika closing out this elimination round with a victory over Merrick. Alright. Chung naragarungang gurung pang gadang dang 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 dang. Tarag. K.O. K.O. It is. Okay. So at the end of the 28 races in the elimination round, we now have the final four that will enter the semifinals round. It's going to be McLaren with a total of 10 points, with a total of 10 points being the top seed for tonight's semifinal round. And RT Tarika will be the second seeded car going to the semis round. And Archer Myrtle and Cosmo Atomica tied at number 3, but due to the win over the other rule, regardless of number of wins, basta win over the other, kung sakaling may nanalo isa sa kanila, yon ang higher seed. Ganun lang po, simple yun. So yung unang tingnanan talaga, win over the other. So it's a battle of blues in the battle of orange. So blue versus orange ang mangyayari sa ating championship race ngayong gabi. Grabe to! Magandang laban to. So without further ado mga kadipak, it's now time to start off our knockout stage here in the semifinals round. Let's begin first with Battle of Blues. It's going to be the second seeded car RT Tarika taking on the third seeded Archer Myrtle. Alright. So RT Tarika currently has 2 points. Archer Myrtle currently has 4 points on aggregate this month. So, ano na lang, paunahan na rin sila kung sakali, kung makadagdag, kung sino yung makakadagdag, makadaragdag ng aggregate points this month. For our semifinals, number 1, it's going to be RT Tarika at lane 2 and Archer Myrtle at lane 1. I repeat, it's Archer Myrtle starting at lane 1 and RT Tarika starting at lane 2. Hindi ko na makikita to kasi naka-inclose pa rin kasi. Ayun, meron pa pala. Pero yung Archer Myrtle talagang ganyan na. Naka-inclose kasi. Alright, mga kadipat, once again, this is Dipat Tamili Stock Motor Confidence and we are now in our semi-finals round. So, walang kinailangan tiebreaker first, so madali po tayo matatapos din kami. So, without further ado, it's now time to start off our knockout stage with the semi-finals number 1. So, which are... Ready, set, bye! Patay na basura! Nagagrigan ko pati! At tago na naman si Madam Portia Pera! Last lane here. To the final round. We go. K.O. And it's going to be RT Tarika returning to the championship race with a different opponent this time around. Finally, RT Tarika will have the opportunity to add 2 or 3 aggregate points this month. So, yung si Archer Amerto, one last chance para makadagdag ng 1 point, 1 point on aggregate mamaya-maya. In the meantime, it's now time for our semifinals number 2 right away, featuring McLaren taking on Cosmo Atomica, Battle of Orange Army once again. Labanan ng orange sa mga kahel. Mga orange cars ang maglaban na sa ating champion. Sa semifinals number 2 rather. Masyado tayong maaga. Nakatat. Na-excite. Sorry. So in our semifinals number 2 in the Battle of Orange Army Cars, it's going to be McLaren starting at lane 1 and Cosmo Atomica starting at lane 2. I repeat, it's going to be Cosmo Atomica starting at lane 2 and McLaren will start at lane 1. Alright? It's Super FM versus FMA, PC Abs FMA versus Carbon Fiber Super FM or CFM for short. Alright mga kalipat, without further ado, it's now time for our race number 2 in the semifinals round. Switch on. Ready, set, 5. Masuk. Final up. Okay. Yun, nakapasok. Upset. Upset victory. And it's going to be Cosmo Atomica grabbing the opportunity to increase its aggregate points and opportunity to grab the lead. Pagkakataon ng makalamang ni Cosmo Atomica sa ating aggregate scoring standing. So, sa aggregate scoring this month of March 2024, yan. Final month natin sa DTL SMC. Supposed to be December sana to, but due to the inevitable happened, so na-delay tayo. Na-delay tayo ng mga siguro mga 3 buwan. 3 buwan tayo na-delay, tapos natuloy lang natin yung November ng February, at yung ngayon nga March, supposed to be ito dapat yung December. For your information, yun nga lang po, no? Alright. So, it's now time for our race for third. Yan, race for third na po tayo. O teka, isi-share ko lang muna yung ating i-share ko lang po yung ating video natin sa DTL SMC. Okay, sasabihin ko lang DTL SMC live. Yan. Alright. Nakalimutan kong i-share. Akala ko kasi magkakanda loko-loko na naman yung signal kasi natin kaya nakalimutan ko na tuloy mag-share. Alright, so in our race for third, it's going to be McLaren taking on Archera Myrtle. So 1 versus 3 ang magigilabanan natin sa ating race for third. This time, another Orange Army challenging Archera Myrtle in the race for third. So it's going to be so it's going to be McLaren versus Archera Myrtle, long-time rivals sa ating T-Pats ng ELH Season 1. Wala nang binuksan na, sinimulan natin to nung panahon ng COVID-19 pandemic, panahon ng enhanced community quarantine. Doon natin na-umpisa ng DTL. Since last May, actually, May 2020. Okay, May 2020. Doon tayo simulan ng DTL. Kaya lang nung May 2020 kasi, every Wednesday lang. Tapos ginawa natin Wednesday, Saturday, noong June 2020. Ganun. Para mas marami. Tsaka mas marami tuloy tayong naibuo. No? Alright. In our race for third, battle between two founding members, McLaurin and Archer Amerto. It's going to be Archer Amerto starting at lane 1. Yeah, lane 1 for Archer Amerto and lane 2 for McLaurin. I repeat, it is Archer Amerto starting at lane 1, McLaurin starting at lane 2. Yeah. Alright mga kalipat, without further ado, it's now time for our race for third this Run and Gun Wednesday evening right here on the Defense Tamiya League Stock Motor Conference for 6 laps. Switch on. Ready, set, bye. 1 minute to 3 seconds. I'm happy versus 4. Good. Aku. Bumibigit si McLaurin. Final lap, let's see. Oh, that's too much. Archer Amerto was just too much. Too hot to handle for McLaurin. Holy smoke. But that was a close race though. Grabe to. Ibang klase. Wow. And after that race for third, it's going to be Archer Amerto securing a back-to-back third place finish, and back-to-back third place finishes rather. So it's going to be 5 aggregate points total after this race day for Archer Amerto. All right. So McLaurin bokya. Pero babalik siya on Saturday to close out DTL SMC. To close out the inaugural season of DTL SMC. Alright, bababa ko na yung panel. Finally, the much-awaited championship race is now on as RT Tarika takes on Cosmo Atomica. It's a 2 versus 4 matchup right here on DTL SMC for this Run and Gun Wednesday evening. And in this championship race, it's going to be RT Tarika starting at lane 1, Cosmo Atomica starting at lane 2. I repeat, it's RT Tarika at lane 1, Cosmo Atomica at lane 2 to start off this championship race. Alright. Meron pa to. Ito, hindi ko masyado mali. Right? Somebody ito. Tama. Alright mga kadipat, without further ado to culminate our festivities for this Run and Gun Wednesday evening, here now is our championship race on DTL SMC. First to 6 laps, switch on. Ready, set, bye. Masuk. Final lap, let's see. Okay. Bingo. Panalo. Bingo panalo. Yun. Nice. 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 So, the championship race has ended with RT Tarika finishing the job and eventually being the victor and the champion for this race, for this Run and Gun Wednesday evening right here on the Pats Tamiya League Stock Motor Conference. But still, congratulations to Cosmo Atomica. After this penultimate race tonight on DTL SMC, our penultimate race in our race day in our DTL SMC inaugural season, we now have our these podium finishers right here with RT Tarika finally clinching a championship this month of March 2024. And a total of 5 aggregate points, maybe not enough para maging champion of the month, but at least RT Tarika finishing the job well done with a championship this Run and Gun Wednesday evening. Congratulations. And also congratulations to Cosmo Atomica topping the aggregate scoring list this month of March 2024 with a total of 11 aggregate points after finishing second place. Currently 9 Previously 9 points, pero dahil naka second place plus 2, 11 points na po siya total. So, pressure na ngayon kay Papa Roach pagbalik niya na Sabado na mag-champion. So, it's a pressure na po ito for Papa Roach para mag-champion siya. Alright. And finally but not the least, definitely, Archera Myrtle with back-to-back third place finishes and another 1 aggregate point added to its tally. Maybe not enough, so maring hindi sapat, pero at least nadagdagan yung mga podium finishes niya. So ano na to, 4-way tie between Metalder, Setsuna, RT Tarika, and Archera Myrtle with 5 aggregate points apiece, but only 3. Tatlo na lang, si RT Tarika, Archera Myrtle, at saka si Pero kahit sinong maka-champion doon, wala na. Hindi na makaabutan si Cosmo Atomica. Ang pwede na lang makahabol ngayon ay si Papa Roach. So the pressure is on Papa Roach para maging champion of the month. So kailan talaga mag-champion siya talaga para makuha yung champion of the month. O kung hindi niya makuha, kung hindi siya makapasok sa semis agad, ay wala na. Wala na. Cosmo ulit ang champion of the month. Alright. So there you have it, mga kadipat. These are the podium finishers for tonight's Run and Gun Wednesday edition here on DTL SMC in our penultimate race day of the inaugural season this March 20, 2024. And once again, this has been yours truly, Don Patrick D. Paragulas, signing off for now. And thank you so much to all who watched and whoever will drop by anytime here inside Lipas Laboratory every Monday and Wednesday on a regular basis. Pero dahil nga may Holy Week po tayo ngayong March 2024, in advance na po natin yung ibang mga race days for Saturday, sa tuwing Sabado. So, ang tatapusin na po natin yung DTL SMC on Saturday, March 23, 2024, bago tayo tumulak sa ating Holy Week, beginning March 24, the rest of March, hanggang Easter Sunday, March 31, yun na nga po. Tapos, pahinga na po tayo niyan. From there on, March 20 Palm Sunday hanggang April 30. Then magbabalik na po tayo sa ating regular season on DTL S4. They are reloading this May 1, 2024. And once again, mga kadipat, this is Don Patrick D. Padaguila reminding you all to stay safe and healthy, avoid negative vices, especially drugs and all other negativities around you, and protect yourselves from all those negativities and toxicity around you at all costs and at all times as well. Once again, this is Don Patrick D. Padaguila leaving you a pleasant Run and Gun Wednesday evening to all of you. Have a blessed day, everyone. And as always, to God be all the glory and honor. God bless all of us. God bless our beloved Maharlika Nation. And God bless the entire world and all of us Filipinos across the globe. Once again, like we always say, love the Philippines. Mahalin po natin ang Pilipinas. At sama-sama po tayong bumangon muli at ipakita at ipagmalaki sa buong mundong tayo ay Pilipino. Isigaw ng malakas ang ating panalo. Tayo ay para sa liping Maharlika lamang, sa ating dugong Maharlika, dugong Pilipino all the way. And as always, tayo ay taos puso at taas no kahit kanino. And once again, this has been another presentation of another exciting Tamiya Mini 4-wheel drive racing action right here on the Pats Tamiya Stock Motor Conference. And we'll finish it and we'll close this out on Saturday, March 23, 2024 for the conclusion. See you tayo doon sa makita-kits tayo doon sa March 23, 2024 to close out to bring this inaugural season of DPAT's Tamiya League Stock Motor Conference to its conclusion. Alright, once again, this has been Don Patrick D. Padaguila saying Shukran and Tusentak for watching DTL.